Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a custom token on Exodus wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Exodus wallet. Then, I'd like you to know that Exodus is a multi-chain crypto wallet that supplies over 50 different blockchain networks. It allows users to store tokens from all the supported networks in one seamless wallet. So now that we know a bit of what Exodus is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to add a custom token on Exodus. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have this assets, or you have this wallet icon, asset icon or wallet icon. So click on that wallet icon and it's going to take you to this window where you have a list of your portfolio or a list of your assets. So you have these assets, right? So scroll all the way down to the bottom and you're going to find this add more button. So click on this add more button. It's going to take you to another window where you can now add your custom wallet. So over here you have this all and you have this custom. So take it to the custom tab and follow through with the processes to add your custom token. So now at the bottom, you have this add custom token button. Click on that. And once you click on that, just follow through with the steps. So you say select the tokens network and paste tokens contract address or search token. So search the token. Let's say the token is, which token do I want to use? Dogecoin. So let's say I want to use Dogecoin. And I'm just going to select any, okay, baby Doge. Select the network from here too. So right here we have it. I'm just going another way down and it has been added. Baby Dogecoin. So that's how I've been able to add my custom token on Exodus. That's pretty much it. So go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your steps.